So guys, grammar is not to be a boring part of your life, and this is Masum here. So this video is going to be more crucial, now I'm going to ask ChatGPT my questions, okay? So guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum here. So this video is going to be more crucial, already I have made two video previously on ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT to improve your spoken English. So that is why I am again here to use ChatGPT. Here I want to say that ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. Okay, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. You can use ChatGPT as a mentor of you. Okay, so if you want to know the whole details that how you can improve your spoken English by using ChatGPT, how you can improve your grammar skill by using ChatGPT, then please do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So okay, let's start this topic. Okay, so here in this video I am going to ask ChatGPT. I am going to make a live conversation with ChatGPT. I am going to ask ChatGPT a few questions, and I will say that how ChatGPT will resolve my questions, will resolve my queries. Okay, so but before that I want to suggest you a few terms. Okay, now first of all, what is this? Like, you can ask ChatGPT that you can ask ChatGPT a wrong question. You can write on ChatGPT a paragraph. You can ask ChatGPT at anything you want to know. Okay, so what will happen? You can resolve your query in this way. For example, use ChatGPT to improve your grammar skill in 5 ways, and these 5 ways are: number 1, grammar correction practice. Like, ask ChatGPT a wrong question and ask for correct it, and ChatGPT will correct you, and you can again ask ChatGPT that why it was wrong. And number 2, daily grammar quiz. Okay, daily grammar quiz is, you can ask ChatGPT that give me top 10 sentence to use articles and prepositions. Example. And number 3 is role play conversation. Here what I mean role play conversation, like you are in a coffee shop and what you need to ask, okay, to the shop owner, and how will be the conversation between both of you, the owner and of you. And number 4 is simple rule explanation. What all are those? Like, explain or differentiate, present past tense or past perfect tense, etc. And the number 5 is write a paragraph on plastic surgery, write a paragraph on artificial intelligence, etc. Okay, so in this way you can improve your spoken English. Okay, now I am going to ask something ChatGPT live. Okay, just check it out. Now I am going to ask ChatGPT my questions. Okay, so my first question is, hello ChatGPT, I want to improve my spoken English, so explain me the grammar, and the topic is articles and prepositions. Okay, the question is finished. Now I'm going to send it to ChatGPT, and I will be waiting for the reply of ChatGPT. Okay, just give me a few seconds. So already I have sent the questions to ChatGPT, and within a few seconds ChatGPT will reply me, and the reply is here. ChatGPT has already replied me that articles like A, N, D. Okay, articles are small words we use before nouns to show if we are talking about something specific is or general. Okay, share the full details that ChatGPT has replied me. The number is indefinite articles, it has explained me, and the number 2 is definite article, and the number 3 is zero article. Okay, and within in the preposition sections, ChatGPT has replied me that which preposition I need to apply in which condition. Okay, for example, ChatGPT has replied me like, in place I can use in, on, or at accordingly, and in time I need to use in, on, at also. In direction I need to use to, into, onto, or in other common prepositions like by, with, about, for, etc. Okay, spoken English tips. Here is the tips also, bonus tips. Here you have found that I asked ChatGPT that what all are the articles and preposition which I need to improve my spoken English, and ChatGPT has already replied me the whole details, what we need to do, what I need to do, what I not need to do, everything. Okay, so if you follow these rules according to ChatGPT, obviously you can improve your grammar skill easily. You can reach at the level of C2 level. Okay, what it doesn't mean, it doesn't matter that what level you are right now, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 or C2, but you can improve through ChatGPT your grammar skill. So if you improve your grammar skill, then obviously you can improve your spoken English easily. Look here, again I am going to ask ChatGPT a wrong question. Okay, like I goes to market, I goes to school or whatever. Okay, and I will ask ChatGPT that make it grammatically correct. Also, for example, from your mother tongue to English, if you need to translate any English any sentence, I mean from your mother tongue to in English, then you can at least you can, first of all you can try, like here I am trying example, मुझे मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा कोई एक सेंटेंस, then I am asking it, I am goes to school. So I have written here the sentence, typed here the sentence which is absolutely grammatically wrong. Now I will ask ChatGPT that, I'm going to ask ChatGPT that make the sentence grammatically correct, and I will send it to ChatGPT, and I will be waiting for the reply of ChatGPT here. Okay, now finish it. So check it out that within a few seconds ChatGPT has already replied me the correct sentence is I am going to school. So यहाँ ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे सब कुछ बोल दिया है. अभी मैं और भी एक चीज़ कर सकता हूँ, दैट what ChatGPT has explained me that would you like to me also explain why your version was incorrect so you don't repeat the same mistake. यानी कि ChatGPT ने मुझे पूछा है कि आप जानना चाहते हैं कि क्यों आपके जो ये सेंटेंस है वो गलत है. So that is why I am going to ask it. Yes, I am going to just ask ChatGPT that yes, and I will send it. Okay, and again within a few seconds ChatGPT will explain me that why the sentence was incorrect and why the correct person has ChatGPT sent me. So here is the correct version of the sentence, and already ChatGPT has replied me whole details like according to your grammar section. Okay, again ChatGPT has replied me the question, the answer of my question that I goes to market is grammatically wrong, and already it has replied me the correct version of it, and again it has already asked me that why it was wrong. Do you want to know? Whenever I said yes, whenever I typed yes and sent it again, ChatGPT has already replied me the whole details why it was wrong and what I need to do to make it correct, how I can improve my grammar skill. So guys, grammar is not to be a boring part of your life in your journey. You can use ChatGPT as a mentor to improve your spoken English. I believe that already I have improved my spoken English through this way, and you can too also. So if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe the channel, hit this like button, drop a comment and let me know in which topics next time you want a video. Meet you soon on my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Goodbye.